A69. I'm heading back. I've done a Livy and then I had to go somewhere else to pick something up. Another trailer from a yard, and my god, what a yard it was. Getting there, I took a wrong fucking turn down this country lane. I got over the tightest of country bridges. The guys in the office says, which way did you come in like? And I told him, I went, how on earth did you get over that bridge? I went, I don't know. Slowly. It was brutal. Anyhow, I just stopped for a cup of coffee and I'm back on the road again. The trailer I've picked up, I've got to take it directly to Asda in Washington, and once I've got there, I just drop the trailer, leave it, and then take the unit. They call them units, these. I don't like saying unit. It's a truck. It's the heart and soul. I've got to take that back into the yard. Don't fuel it up, just park it up, because all the Volvos, which is what I'm in today, are going back down to Manchester tomorrow because they've done their job over the Christmas and the New Year, and now they're just in the way. They're just in my way. Get out the way. I've quite enjoyed it. I've quite enjoyed driving the Volvo. It's, I've ticked all the boxes now and all the trucks that I've driven. I haven't driven an Iveco. I've driven an Iveco. What was it? 7.5 ton. When I did a bit of work for the newspapers, about a year ago now. Parkside Logistics. They were great guys. Anyone looking for a job and lives around the Berkeley area, you should give Parkside a ring because they're smashing people like two brothers. Anyway, when I was driving for Parkside, I drove an Iveco. I haven't driven, what do you call them? Hey, honestly, it's French. It's like Close Encounters of the Third Kind, that in front of us. Renault, I haven't driven a Renault. There you go. Do you know, I couldn't find the car in the car park at Asda. I went shopping yesterday. The day before yesterday, I went shopping, parked the car in Asda, went in, had a little mosey around as you do. I was on my own because Wallace is really poorly, unfortunately, and when I came out Asda, I couldn't find the car. I was pressing the button, and in the end, to find it, I had to start from one end into aisle by aisle. Seriously. And it was the very last aisle in the top left hand corner at Asda in Long Benton. Couldn't believe it. Total first for me, that, like. Here's the fog. Not half foggy. Hello, fog, me. In Asda now. I'm just going to go into the office and ask them if they want it on a bay, just to help them out. Really. What I will do is just park it properly, just in case they just say yeah. Just dump it. I think they just said drop it. Well, this is what he said. Drop it out. Good to go. fishing yesterday. Very disappointing. Unfortunately though, my wife is really poorly and she comes first. Took the day off, played dock. And anyway, managed to get to the doctors today because it's been 2 weeks and we are going away in just a couple of days time, a few days time. It's getting a bit of a worry. Scotland! 10:30 start. It's the 12th today. Friday, foot down Friday. And I've got a full load for Livy, it's all flowers. My booking in time for Livy is 3 o'clock. I've took a 15-minute there, just grabbed a cup of tea, had a big catch up with the guys at the thingy there, the Greasy Joes. Getting there about 2:30. Had us down there for like nearly 2 before, but I've had, like I say, a 15-minute break. It's got me 2:20. It's got me there for changeover at 2 PM. And we'll see how it goes. It's a lovely day. 7 degrees. 7. Woohoo! T-shirt weather. As if you're a Geordie anyway. Right, that's me here. They've let us in. It's 2:20 and I'll wonder where I'm off to next after here. I have no idea whatsoever. I'm going to go in, get myself a nice cup of tea. Nice cup of tea. I don't need anything to eat because I had a sneaky bacon sandwich. I had a motorway to go. Soon. Well, that's me, tipped 3:12. Not bad at all. I'm off to East Lothian Produce. So I'm going to give you, hopefully it might be still light. I'll give you a 360 of the yard when I get in there. It's nothing that anyone can see if they just went on Google Earth, Google Maps, because it's on the main road. I'm not going to cause any problems for anybody, and I've never had a bad thing to say about the place anyway. I like going there. They're good guys. I would like to work for them if I lived up here. I love the lorries. One. Can you hear that beeping noise? Listen. That's a dash cam jammed on record. The one that's built in, well, it's not built into the truck, they're added to the truck as extras. And there ain't a thing I can do about it. Or if I'm turning the radio up full blast. That's just going to drive you as crazy as it is me. How annoying is that, man? Well, I'm coming into Hallington anyway, so I'll switch on once I'm in the yard. Once the power's off, that'll stop. Ah! And the beeping, it's still going. Thank God. I'm just passing, well, I'm approaching the metro centre now. I've got 10 miles to go before I get into the yard and let them deal with it. It's not, you just do not ignore things, any kind of fault with your truck, because the guy that's getting in it's got that hassle. So if you like doing what I do, you know, this truck's out every day and night. It's used all the time, different drivers. Get it reported, get it sorted. Just because it's done my nutting, so it'll do their nutting as well, you know. You can hear it, that's bad.